We are standing in one of our newest listings in North Santa Rosa Beach at Sea House here. This is under 500. It is a beautiful, quiet neighborhood in Santa Rosa Beach, close to the beach, and we're so excited to show it to you.
Yes, and one of the amazing things that Leslie Garcia has the listing with us, and guess what? She actually lives in this community and she can give you all the ins and outs, and she loves living here.
Yes, and we're going to give you a full walkthrough tour as well as showing you exactly how close you are to the beach and some of 30A's amazing things to do.
And stay tuned for the backyard.
Let's go ahead and jump into the tour. This is the front of the home. We've got a nice 2-car garage and beautiful landscaping that the sellers have put in. Beautiful palm tree here and a nice little front porch. And now we are going to walk in here. So I think a really unique thing about this listing is it is a 3-bedroom, but you do have 2 bonus rooms. So you have a bonus room up here. If you wanted to ever convert this into a bedroom, you could. You've got a window there. You could put some doors up, or use this as a dining room or just an office or a bonus room. Got the kitchen here. You've got granite, stainless steel, white cabinets, beautiful, nice sized kitchen with a good island. We've got our dining space over here. Again, nice and large. You've got lots of space. You could put an even bigger dining table in there. And again, a great open space for your living room. You've got high vaulted ceilings in this living room. So it just really opens up the space so much. And then we're gonna show you the second bonus room. So the sellers have converted this screened-in porch into another little bonus room. Now this does not have AC in here, but you could easily add a little split unit in here if you wanted to. Really nice little space. You could do so much in here. Now we're gonna go check out the bedrooms. Starting off with our primary bedroom. You've got a beautiful, nice space. You've got a tray ceiling in here. Just beautiful. A large bathroom here and a nice big walk-in closet here. You've got a tub in here as well as a shower over there. So in our first spare bedroom here, we've got nice natural light in here. We have our laundry room here off of your 2-car garage. We have our other bedroom here about the same size as the first, and then you have your guest bathroom. Full guest bathroom with a tub. And again, that front room, you could easily convert that into another bedroom space or however you wanted it. And lastly, we're gonna check out the backyard. So you've got a beautiful backyard space. Lots of beautiful greenery back here in landscaping. You've got a good amount of space back there and beautiful landscaping all in. Thank you for watching another listing tour video on the channel. For more listings in the 30A Destin and Emerald Coast area, give us a follow. And for more information, also give us a follow, and we'll see you in the next video.
Until the next time, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss und
Goodbye.
goodbye.